It's been really amazing to see so many young girls doing production, songwriting, composing melodies. It was really great experience for me, learning experience I would say. Sony Music Publishing and IPRS, I would really like to congratulate both.
I have never done something like this before. This is the first time wherein I've actually seen other female composers and producers sitting and creating, and it was really an eye-opener because there were a lot of things that I'm taking away from here. I thoroughly enjoyed it.
It was an outstanding experience attending collab. पहली बार मिल रहे थे सब एक दूसरे से, फिर भी ऐसा लगा ही नहीं, ऐसा लगा कि रोज जाम करते हैं.
What I've written is किस्मत से लड़ जावंगी, संग तेरे अड़ जावंगी, सदियां में संग तेरे जी लूं, तारे में फल लावंगी, सब तेरे घर लावंगी, तेरे अंधेरे में पी लूं.
बहुत बहुत सुंदर एक्सपीरियंस था. थैंक यू सोनी म्यूजिक पब्लिशिंग, थैंक यू IPRS फॉर हैविंग मी.
Having an inclusive space for women to create safely, freely, fiercely is very rare. जहाँ पे हमें ये शक्ति मिले कि हम जो बोलना चाहते हैं, जो कहना चाहते हैं, खुलकर कह सकते हैं, साथ में कह सकते हैं, एक आवाम की आवाज अपनी सुन सकते हैं.
किस्मत से लड़ जावांगी सदियां नैना.
I'd really like to thank IPRS and Sony Publishing that we have these spaces for creation where we have the freedom to be ourselves, not be judged.
For someone who's starting out at least, I would say the most important thing, if I could put it in one line, is cut the noise out. What I mean by that is before you even start are overthinking about the struggle that is about to come. So I would say if you just focus on the art and the results will come.
फीमेल्स के गाने कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत कम है. देखिए 2 फीमेल्स ने कोलैबोरेशन किया, 3 फीमेल ने कोलैबोरेशन किया. आई थिंक ये बहुत ही अच्छी चीज हो रही है.
सिंगर सॉन्गराइटर एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट है, जिसकी सबसे बड़ी चीज है that we need to have something that we want to say as a writer, as a composer, as a singer, even through your sounds, as all your skills in all 4 aspects, and create something that is truly have a whole song that represents who you are.
So watching everybody's process has been a great learning because everybody has such different process, and I think I took like little bit of those pieces I'm going to take back with me, and it's going to really help me make my work better.
It was an absolutely phenomenal experience to be a part of Collab, an all-women songwriters camp organized by IPRS and Sony Music Publishing.
So it's been 3 years for me at Sony Music Publishing, and we've never done something like this before. I'm loving how the energies of these artists are like coming out. It's flowing like a rivers.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Sony Music Publishing. I think it was a fantastic experience because we also got to explore and sort of discover new talent that we had not heard of before.
This is the first time we are trying to get labels also on board. So we want to start this trend in India where we do a lot of song camps, create opportunities for songwriters. And thankful to Sony Music Publishing for giving me this opportunity.
IPRS has been participating in all women song camps in other countries. Association with Sony Music Publishing has been truly rewarding.
Sony Music Publishing vision always was artist first ecosystem. When we heard about IPRS doing a song camp, and especially an all women song camp, this brilliant idea struck to us that why not we join the entire collaboration between IPRS, properly collaborates, coming to 2 days of camp and ending up with the International Women's Day.
शगना दी वारियां वे बीबा नचदी जारियां वे झांझरा दी किलकारियां हुलारियां नी मिसरियां वर्गी